latest installment on the Mustang journey. Last episode I had everything fit up, pretty well liked how it fit. I did need to adjust it a little bit more, but I like how that is, so that's where it's going to go. So let's have at it. Well, I just read I got to change my wire out first, so this is 0.23. I need to go to a heavier wire for that. So I'll get that done, then I'll start. One thing I did want to show you. When I weld in here, it's pretty tight, like I've said 100 million times, but I put these things up. They're fiberglass blankets. It's a safety thing. I really don't want to burn my house down. And they kind of protect everything. So if you see these white things back there, that's what they are. Alright, so there's the top all welded up. Still need to do the bottom. And I got a little more welding to do over on the torque box, which I'm going to do right now and show you that. It's all fitted up right over here. That strap's just to pull it closer, so I'm not, yeah, it just needed to be closer. Anyway, let's get to it. Okay, so I am all welded in, all the way along the bottom here. Excuse the fan noise, but after welding, that smoke kind of gets me, even with the respirator on. I did want to show you here on that inner rocker part, when you put your torque box on, there's supposed to be 5 welds right here that you're supposed to do. Well, these are hollow. So I welded a piece in here, so I got something to weld to. Let's fit this torque box back up again, and let's put that in. Here's the torque box all fitted up. Just getting ready to weld it in. I'm just going to weld this side first, then I can adjust a little bit on the other side there. I used a porta-power just to hold that up for the time being. These 2-piece boxes are a lot nicer. You can fiddle with them a little bit and get them to fit perfect. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. So let's weld her up. That's all welded in. Well, partially welded in. I gotta finish underneath and whatnot. But I think that's it for today. If you like the content, please like, subscribe. I appreciate everybody that watches. And again, thanks for watching.